Hi everyone, tonight we're at the Cloverdale Fairgrounds in Surrey, British Columbia to experience Lumagica. Let's go explore.
This is the story of Lumagica. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful path through a secret forest, and every night at sundown, close to Christmas, the forest came alive with magical lights. Creatures gathered to create light because they believed that Lumina, an ancient goddess of light, would be passing through this magical place. And night after night, the forest became brighter and brighter, and brilliant lights could be seen from all around. Legend has it that when Lumina is present, the atmosphere becomes charged with light, love, and joy. Lumina is at one with nature and all beings. Her purpose, as she travels across our precious planet, is to spread light and positive emotions that encapsulate the spirit of Christmas. The journey starts through the enchanted woodland forest that celebrates nature. There, the majestic stag deer is the protector of all the little woodland creatures who turn themselves into light to sparkle and share their special glow. Continuing along the path, you enter the ice forest, where they celebrate the wonder of winter. There you'll encounter the Ice Maiden and her faithful snow wolves, who look after all the animals and the mischievous snow people. And as your journey draws to a close, you'll travel through the light tunnel portal, arriving at Gingerbread Lane. which leads to the Christmas Wonderland at the North Pole. There you'll enjoy a barbarian village, a candy cane cone tree, find some mischievous elves, finally arriving at Santa Claus to experience the true spirit of Christmas.
City sidewalks, busy sidewalks, dressed in holiday style. In the air, there's a feeling of Christmas. Children laughing, just meeting smile after smile, and all the street corner. Ready? Here we go. Hey, Santa. Silver bear. It's Christmas time in the city. Ring a lane. Hear them sing. Hey, it's Santa Claus, kids. Soon it will be Christmas Day. Old Santa's singing. Strings of street lights and stoplights blink bright red and green as the shoppers rush home with their treasures. Hear the snow crunch, see a kid's bunch. This is Santa's big scene. Never was all of us. You hear? Oh, come on, Santa, let's hear it. Silver bells, it's Christmas time in the city. You got it, Santa. And you know what? Hear them sing. Soon it will be Christmas Day. Come on, kids, clap along with Santa. Yeah, that's good. All right, you know what? City sidewalks, busy sidewalks, dressed in holiday style. In the air, there's a feeling of Christmas. Children laughing, people passing, meeting smile after smile, and on every street corner you hear. Guess what's gonna hear, kids? Silver bells, silver bells. It's Christmas time in the city. That's right, Santa, you're right. Soon it will be Christmas Day. Soon it will be Christmas Day. Santa Claus, kids, come on. How exciting. I love it. He's here. Woo.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed Lumagica. Remember to keep exploring. Have a happy holidays. And until next time, it's time to exit through the gift shop. Merry Christmas.